Title: The Vulture's Gaze. In the shadowed recesses of a dilapidated mansion, nestled amidst gnarled trees that whispered secrets to the wind, there dwelt a recluse. His name, if he ever spoke it, had been lost to the ages. To the villagers below, he was known only as the Old Man of the Manor, a figure of whispered tales and superstition. It was said that his eyes, pale and unblinking, held the gaze of a vulture, sharp, penetrating, and unsettling. But it wasn't his eyes alone that fueled the rumors, it was the aura of darkness that enveloped him, the eerie silence that shrouded his home, and the strange occurrences that occasionally drifted down from the hills. One moonless night, a traveler sought refuge from the biting cold and stumbled upon the mansion's weathered doorstep. Drawn by curiosity or perhaps by fate, he dared to knock. The door creaked open, revealing the dimly lit interior. The old man stood silhouetted against the feeble glow of a dying fire, his vulture-like eyes fixed upon the visitor. With a voice like the rustle of dead leaves, the old man bid the traveler enter. Reluctantly, he stepped across the threshold, his heart pounding in his chest like a drumbeat of impending doom. As the hours passed, the traveler listened intently to the old man's tales, stories of ancient curses and spectral apparitions, of a past steeped in sorrow and regret. But amidst the chilling narratives, one detail seized the traveler's attention: the portrait that hung above the fireplace, a haunting depiction of a vulture with eyes that mirrored those of the old man. Intrigued, the traveler dared to inquire about the painting's origin, but the old man's response was cryptic, veiled in half-truths and riddles. He spoke of a bond forged in darkness, of a curse that bound him to the vulture's gaze for eternity. Night descended like a shroud, and the traveler prepared to take his leave, eager to escape the oppressive atmosphere that hung heavy in the air. But as he turned to go, a sudden gust extinguished the feeble flames, plunging the room into darkness. In the blackness, the traveler felt a chill wind sweep past him, carrying with it a whispered warning, a warning that echoed in the recesses of his mind long after he had fled the mansion's sinister embrace. Weeks passed, and the traveler found himself haunted by visions of the vulture-eyed old man, his presence a spectre that lingered in the shadows of his dreams. Determined to unravel the mystery that shrouded the mansion atop the hill, he returned to the village below, seeking answers among the townsfolk.